The movie was conceptualized by Guyana-born George Sobraj, the late real estate businessman and philanthropist, and was directed by Guyanese dramatist and journalist Richard B. Mahace. Prime Minister congratulated the family on their selfless, tremendous contributions to humanitarian works in Guyana.
We are all proud when we have something local and made in Guyana, outside of Guyana, but of course carrying the identity of Guyana. We need to go on the world stage and show what we are made of and the talent we have. So Richard, thank you, and Gloria, on behalf of George and in memory of George, that this is the way his memory will continue in the work of arts and in culture.
The movie focuses on the plight of low-income tenants caught up in the world of intrigue and gangsterism. By contrast, it showcases Mr. Sobraj's business as a successful real estate tycoon in New York, with the emphasis being on affordable and decent apartments. The film is also a tribute to Guyanese talent for movie production, for which credit goes to Mr. Mahace. Among the persons that attended the premiere of The Tenants were several persons affiliated with the arts, with other invited guests. For InfoHub, Rebecca Ganesh.